cosplay world, we're back, and we're gonna have a quick look at some goggles I made for Eraserhead. Yes, Eraserhead from My Hero Academia. I've yet to actually make a cosplay for myself. This is just something I saw and really wanted to make, and I gave it to some random cosplayer because, hey, they may as well have it. Actually, some random Eraserhead cosplayer, like another Saitama or some other character wouldn't use it, obviously. So we're going to be making the base of the goggles out of this wonderful plastic sheeting, PVC foam sheeting. As you can see here, I'm using a hot knife. It's not currently turned on, and it's acting like an X-Acto knife or a box cutter. But once I do turn it on, we're going to be able to cut the little eye hole bits out for you there. And get some of the more detailed pieces out. As you can see, the shape isn't exactly uniform. This is to give it a dynamic shape to make the eye sections pop out and look more interesting. But the real challenge here is kind of getting all the slots out in one piece without messing that up. I cut it out of one section of plastic so that I wouldn't have to glue a bunch of little sticks together and have it all over the place, basically. And it's cleaner, assuming I don't mess up, and it's a lot less work there. It's also a little bit structurally better. And get on camera! Get on camera, you fool, and show that I'm cutting things out. There we go. You see I'm going to clean up the bits there with a bit of wood filler and clean up the edges as well so that it's nice and even. The triangles end up being a little bit pointy. I round them out. It's fine. So we've added some straps to the back. That's how they're going to be put on. I wanted to add them first because I wanted to glue them down in place before any kind of paint would get on them. And because I want to layer the other stuff kind of over that. The strap is not elastic, it's just regular strap, and we have an adjustable clip in the back so that you can, make it nice and tight. Well, reasonably tight. These aren't exactly the strongest because they're attached in the middle with a piece of foamy, but easily tight enough to actually wrap around your face and all that good stuff. So, of course, we're going to be painting these up in yellow. I would stress to get quality yellow paint and make sure that your lines are clean, because once we start adding the gold paint, it's going to be pretty noticeable where your imperfections are. You see the gold shines in the light and makes all those imperfections even more, they pop out even more. So you can actually see through these. Yes, we're putting a bit of light mesh material in there. And it looks black from the outside, but as you can see when I put the fabric up to the camera, you can totally see through it. Simply hot gluing in place, allowing it to be in there. The last piece we need is just the little foam bits we're going to add for the side panels and also the nose piece, and possibly a bit of foam guards. I'm going to go into more details about how the mesh works and how the piece overall is attached in the extended version at the finalcosplaycore.com. But next time we're going to be making this wonderful moon star armor, or moon star armor. I hope you guys enjoy. Good times to all. Rah! Over at finalcosplaycore.com, there are hundreds of tutorials, pictures, walkthroughs, all that awesome cosplay goodness. Hope you check it out. Good times to all.